Hey guys, today we are going to learn how to edit a video on iMovie. So first you need to locate the video that you have. Maybe you downloaded it. I have it in downloads and this is the video. It's one of the NetSmart's video about internet safety. So I want to edit this on iMovie. So I will find iMovie on my computer, which is right here. Now I need to click on Create a New. And then I need to drag my window a little bit to this side so that I will be able to drag this video and drop it right here. There you go. Now I no longer need this folder, so I will close it and I will move iMovie, expand it to have a full experience in iMovie. In iMovie you have plenty of options, many things to use. First, let's say that this is my video and I want to enhance the colors or maybe the voice in it. I can click on it and I can go on this one. It will automatically enhance it. Alright? First, when I click on spacebar in the keyboard, it will play it. If I want to pause, I click on space again. So if you notice in the beginning, it's just long period right here. So if I want to remove it, I will pause over here, right click on the line and I will split it. Now this one I don't want it, or maybe I want to make it shorter. If I want to make it shorter, I will just double click on it, go on I, and instead of 4.4 I'm going to make it 2. So this means it's gonna take only 2 seconds. There you go. Now I can make some transition between the two. So I can go to transitions and over here I can choose a transition that I want to put. Drag and drop. Maybe I don't like the music, so I will right click. Maybe the first part of the music I don't like it, so I will split it over here. Then on this clip I will detach the audio and I will remove this music. Or maybe I want to make it lower, I can make it lower like that. Or if I want to remove it, I can do that and then add something from here. I can go and search for things. So this is short, medium, long. Drag and drop. Maybe from the beginning. Play. I want to add text, I go over here and I drag a card of the text. I can try them all and then when I am fine with one of them, I will drag it and drop it somewhere where I want it to start and then I will type what I want. NetSmarts. Choose a color and tick it. Close this. Now play it. There you go. So you have split, you have detach, and you can also speed the video or make it slow. How do I speed it or make it slow? We have two options. Either I go on the eye and choose what I want, or I can use this icon where it will tell me if I wanted to make it slow or fast or costume, which means I choose how much I want it. So let's do fast. It will show a rabbit. If I put this one on slow, it will make it very slow and it shows a turtle. Okay? These are the basic skills that you need, and of course you have backgrounds if you want to discover it. You have audio, title, and transitions. Now, if you are done with the video, you can watch it. You can go back to the beginning and click on spacebar to watch it. Before you do that, you can go on big screen with this icon and watch it. After you are done, you get out of the full screen. There is this button right here. You click on it, click on File, and choose a title for your video. I'm gonna call it, I don't know, Trial 1. If I am uploading this video later on OneDrive to send it to my teacher, the size of the video is very big right here. It's 170 megabytes. So if I want to decrease it, I can choose a less amount. This will make it 100. Instead of having a quality very high resolution, I can make it medium resolution, 68, not bad, or low resolution, 36, okay? The quality will decrease a little bit, but it's good and we can see it. 36 is a very good number, so that we help you with the connection issues. And then you click next. The video will ask you to locate somewhere, so I will put it on desktop so to not lose my way. Click save, and then it will start exporting. After your video exports, it shows you this message: share successful, exporting my movie. You can show, and this way you can watch your video. It shows you right here the file, so you double click and watch it.